Question 10 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question, that's your UTME CBT exam. It says if P is equal to X, where X is an odd number, and you have here X is greater than -1 and X is less than or equal to 20, and Q, where Y is prime, okay, and here Y is greater than -2 and is less than or equal to 25. Find P intersection Q. Okay, so to find P intersection Q, so let's look for the subset of P, then look for also the subset of Q, then find intersection of P and Q. Now you can see here it says X is what? Odd. I hope we know definition of, first of all, you need to know the difference between an odd number and a prime number. Okay, an odd number is any integer that cannot be divided exactly by 2. Are you getting it? While a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 whose only factor is only what? 1 and itself. Okay? You get that? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1. Alright? Whose only factor is 1 and itself. Okay, you will see the examples of odd and prime numbers as we look for the subset of both. Okay, so for P, we're looking for odd numbers from this says X less than -1, so we're not going to start from 1. We're going to start from 0 to 20. Okay, let me just write the numbers. You know, we have to 25, so let's just write 1, 2, 3, so we pick from it. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to manage the space. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 20. Let's just go down here. 21, 22, 23, 24, then 25. Okay, so let's now pick the odd numbers. Okay, from -1, X is less than -1. We're not going to start from -1. Okay, and X is what? Greater than or equal to 20. All right, so to pick the odd numbers from between 0 and 20. So let's pick the odd numbers. As we said, odd numbers are what? Integers and not fractions, okay, that can not be divided exactly by 2. All right, so the first odd number here will be what? 1. Is that not it? 1. Okay, the next, it can be 2 because 2 can be divided exactly by 2 to give us 1. So the next will be what? 3. Okay, the next will be what? 5. It can't be 4 because 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Okay, so next will be what? 7. Okay, the next one will be what? It will be 9. And next will be 11. Another will be 13. The next will be what? 15. We have 17. Then we have 19. We're stopping. Okay, we'll have to stop here. We can't put 20 because, you know, 20 is not an odd number, it's an even number. So these are the subset of what? Of P. Okay, let's look for the subset of Q. All right, Q is a prime number. Remember what's the definition of prime number? Is a whole number greater than 1. Okay, so it is not 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. Okay, so we have here, we have Y is what? Less than minus what? I'm sorry, Y is what? Greater than -2. So we're going to start from -1. As we said, remember a prime number is a whole number greater than what? 1. And is it 1 is greater than what? -1. So any prime number has to start after 1. Okay, so we have here its only factor is 1 and itself. So the first prime number we have here is what? 3. Okay, so let's write this down. So we have 3. Our next prime number will be what? 5. Okay, the only factor of 5 is 1 and itself. Our next prime number will be what? 7. Okay, our next prime number will be what? 11. Okay, which is only factor is 1 and itself. Our next prime number will be what? 13. Our next prime number here will be what? 17. Okay, we're stopping at less than or greater than 25. Our next prime number here will be what? It can be 21. Why is it not 21? Because 21 has a factor. You can divide 3, you can divide 7. Okay, why is it not 15? Because 15 has a factor 5 and 3. All right, so please understand what a prime number is. Why is it 17? Because 17 you cannot divide any number okay, by 17 to, it will always give you a remainder. So the only factors of 17 is 1 and itself. Okay, so the next prime number here after 17 will be what? 19. Okay, we missed 19. And our next one, what? 23. Okay, all right. So is 24 a prime number? Is 25 a prime number? No, it's not a prime number, because you can divide 5, by 25 and you get a 5. So these are the subset of what? Q, and these are the subset of what? P. Now we have to find P intersection Q. All right, you know what we don't mean of intersection? That's what is common with P and Q. Okay, so we have here, we have 3 is common, we have this 5, we have 7, we have 11 here, we have 13, we have 17, and we have 19. Okay, so our P intersection Q is equal to what? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and what? And 19. Okay, so this is our answer. And what's our right option here? Our right option is option D.